Hey guys, Tegan here from BlueSense Digital. In this video, we're going to go through how to set up the shared reviews feed in the Merchant Center. And this is an easy and quick way to potentially have thousands of reviews reflected on your shopping listings within a matter of minutes. Now, one thing I just want to highlight here is that how this process works is if there are multiple retailers selling the same product, and Google will know that they're selling the same product based on the GTIN or barcode value that is submitted into the Merchant Center for those products. So again, if there are multiple retailers selling the same product, they all have the same GTIN value, and all of those retailers upload reviews for that product. All of those reviews get bundled together, and we can essentially have all of those reviews from all of those retailers reflected on our listing, just because we have the same GTIN value as the rest of those retailers that uploaded those reviews to the Merchant Center. So diving straight into how to set this up, firstly head on over to the Merchant Center and you'll land on the overview section, go to growth and then manage programs. And we're going to need to enable the product ratings card down at the bottom here. So scroll down to product ratings and hit get started, and it should take you to a sheet. Now, there is a requirement here that you will have to upload at least 50 of your own reviews in order to be part of this process. Even though that is a requirement, we have been able to have third-party reviews reflected on our listings, even if we don't upload those product reviews. So just follow this process that I'm going to go through. So in this first section here, so it would ask, do you work with an approved third-party reviews aggregator? You can say yes, but I'd like to submit my own reviews. Then if you're an e-commerce store, hit physical and or digital products, and then do you currently have more than 50 reviews? Just say yes. From here, it'll open up a sheet where you'll need to fill in all of your details. So merchant name up the top here would match the merchant name over here. Obviously, this will be blurred for this video. Then the Merchant Center ID, this is the ID that appears next to your merchant name. So just copy and paste that into that section, and then just paste that in there. Then homepage URL, copy that and paste that in there. Then you'll need to just submit all of your personal details. So name, surname, email address, and then leave this section at the bottom here. Don't answer this. So just leave this out completely. And then once you've filled in all of those details, hit submit. And that should be good to go. So as you can see here, your email has been sent. And then just give that a bit of time, give that a day or so to get reviewed. And then in the Merchant Center here, if you go back to this product ratings card, you'll see that it'll say enabled instead of get started. So I've just refreshed and it still says get started, but just give this a couple days. You'll get a approval email from the Merchant Center saying that that shared reviews feed has been enabled. And then this will switch to enabled. And then those reviews should start reflecting on your product listings. Again, just ensure that just heading into the product section here, ensure that your GTIN value or barcode value, and that'll be determined by or be assigned to this GTIN attribute in the Merchant Center. Just ensure that that value has been added for each product, and then that feature should kick in terms of sharing reviews across the different products across the Merchant Center. So that was it. Hopefully that was a help. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.